In this video, we're going to take a look at the Khan Academy Challenge Position Planet. So the instructions are that they want us to make it look like the creature is sitting on top of the planet and saying the greeting. If we look here, this guy down here is the creature, and this is what he's saying. So the creature is going to need to get moved up, and then the words are going to need to move up next to the creature. So it says, first step, use absolute positioning to put the creature on top of the planet somewhere. So this is my creature. They've selected the creature with the ID here, so I've already done that part. So I'm just going to come here and do position colon absolute salute, and then I'm going to do, let's make him from the left side, let's say 60px, and top, let's do 60px also. Okay, that actually looks pretty great. So he's right on top of the planet. That's good. Next step, it says in the second step, position the greeting on top of the planet as well. Okay, so now we need to come up here and do pretty much the same idea. So position absolute, and then left, let's do 80px, and top 60px. Okay, that's close. Let's see here. Next step, it says now use a z-index property to make sure that the greeting always shows up over the creature and not behind. So the z-index works that 0 is the lowest and it goes all the way up to the highest. I mean, as many numbers as you want to go. So if we're only working with one item, then we can just use one z-index and that will work fine. So in this case, we need the greeting to be on top. So if we give it a z-index of 1, that will move it on top of the creature because the creature is at 0 right now. So let's put z-index 1, and now it's on top. So we've done that. Now it's important to realize if we were stacking many more things later onto this, then 1 is actually a pretty low number. So we would need to kind of think about that, and kind of basically almost like the stories that you would build in a house, you would want to think about the order that you wanted to put them in. Like if I wanted to put the creature to be z-index 1, maybe I think the creature is number 1, they're the first thing on the page, then I would need to come up here and I would need to make this a 2, and then I could keep going. If I was going to add more things on top of there, then I could keep adding more numbers as I went up. So the higher the number, the higher it is on the stack basically. Finish challenge.